feel it today, I don't feel it.
Ah well, may the best side win. Natasha spent quite a modest £158 of her cash on 5 lots.
Ash, what's going on here? I can't believe it. What is this? A mechanical pussy?
This is a message from the BBC. A huge villain 3 times bigger than the other Pretty Cure villains, Pyro and Black Hole, is about to destroy London. The world is in mass panic. The Pretty Cure is now in your hands. Remember the rules. Stay in your homes. Several cities of the UK is destroyed by dead end. Over 3 million people has been killed in the act. The International Pretty Cure defeated. Aberdeen Pretty Cure, Glasgow Pretty Cure and the Edinburgh Pretty Cure have been defeated. Please stand by. We put in a K-pop music to calm the situation in every district of London. London Pretty Cure is defeated and is mourning for his deaths. Over 67 million people died as the UK is near extinction. Dead End is now evolving, the world is near the end. They destroyed many fanfic cities in Japan, even they created megas under Nigeria and India. Cardiff Pretty Cure is now in your hands. Will they defeat him? The BBC and S4C is now in live cameras around Wales and England. This is not our test. Cardiff Pretty Cure is defeated and Dead End is using an ultimate attack. An EF-1000 is causing ultimate destruction in New York City, killing over 7 million. A pandemic named Kame virus killing 2 billion around the world. A message from Russia 1 tells about dark clouds falling over Moscow, killing over 80 million people, even in cities like Stockholm, Oslo, Bergen, Helsinki, Copenhagen, Gothenburg, Tampere and Stavanger. The end of the humanity is near. The end of the humanity is near. The end is near. Dead End will launch his ultimate attack in South London as 6.9 billion people died. Commit suicide. Don't do it when you have parents, lovers or friends. Otanus, Pretty Cure lovers, say goodbye to your magical girl world as Dead End will launch this in 1 minute as they destroy the world. As London gets destroyed, the Otanus, Zombies and other mores will be destroyed. Goodbye. We end this programming with the national anthem. This is BBC shut down for the last time. Goodbye.